In this video, I'll show you how you can use Slack in Base44. So it's very simple. All you need to do is head over to integrations, and from here you will see Slack. You can send updates and notifications to your team. So click on how to use, and from here you have some example prompts. So for example, you can send a daily summary of completed tasks to my team Slack channel, or notify me in Slack when a sale is made in my app. So let's say I'm gonna choose send alerts to Slack channel when deadlines are approaching. I'm gonna copy it and I'm going to open one of my app and I'm gonna paste it here in chat. So I'll add Slack alerts for approaching deadlines. First, I need to request Slack authorization. So we need to authorize our Slack with Base44. So we need to click on connect to Slack. Just click on it and this should open a new window. Yes, this authorization window. And from here, all you need to do is select your workspace. So this is my workspace. And then we need to install Base44 Slack integration. So click on it. Now it should be approved and successfully connected. So I have again some issue. So I'm going to click on resolve with AI and Base44 will resolve these issues automatically. If you go to project sections, as you can see, Slack deadline alerts. So let's say so here I'm going to type like general channel and check deadlines within, let's say, next 1 day. Send alert now. No upcoming deadlines to report. So I can create new one. I'm gonna click on add update. Slack Base44. And now maybe I have again some kind of error. So I'm gonna try to fix it with Base44. So now maybe it should be working because I see my channels. So when I checked Slack, as you can see, those are my channels. So now maybe it should be working. So let's say I'm gonna click on this all GGG channel and I'm gonna click on next 1 day. Send alerts now. Send one deadline alert to Slack. So let's see. Yeah, and yes, it's working. So as you can see, this is the project which is scheduled for tomorrow, and this deadline alert is working from Base44. So that's it. That's how you can connect Slack to Base44. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.